guys, welcome to Crypto Honors. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to avoid getting disabled in opinion points. So when doing your opinion, you just see disable my opinion option. You'll just pop out. Then if you mistakenly click on disable my opinion points, your account will be disabled for 3 days. Okay, so you need to watch out. And then if you click I am real like this, then your account will not be disabled. Okay, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give a like, please. Okay, so if you don't want your account to be disabled like this one, so you need to be performing your opinions simple and easy. You need to be doing it slowly, but because if you're doing it very fast, you can easily go and disable your opinions with your own hands. Okay, you can easily disable it with your hand. Please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, you'll be doing it simple and easy, and don't be doing it very fast. Okay, with your own hand you can get your account disabled. Then check it out. And don't forget to use this app. It is very important. If you want to get watch time on site very easy and simple, you can use it. It is very useful. I am using it now and it's working perfectly. Okay, so that's all. Bye.